Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making corrugated cardboard ornaments. And we're painting them with DecoArt Extreme Sheen and Craft Twinkles. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some ornaments. DecoArt Extreme Sheen and Craft Twinkles come in tons of different colors. So pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.